What are you doing?
We are replacing wheel studs because the wheels that I got, I didn't do enough research on the back spacing on them. And follow me. Follow me.
Follow the leader.
So, if you look at these stocks, the spokes on these are kind of flush with the rest of it. Kind of sticks out a little bit. With on these, they kind of go back behind the actual
Hub.
the hub right here. So they go back behind here by maybe a few millimeters. So that's what was making it so I couldn't clear my calipers. But we got spacers in, and I was like, you know what, we'll just throw the spacers on and then we should be cool, right? Wrong. Because if you look at these, right? See how there's this ½ inch of just nothing right here? That's what was preventing me from being able to get the rest of the wheel on. So we got some nice brand new studs. And I don't even know where I got these at. But if you look at these, same length, right? It's just got that ½ inch extra of thread. So as you can see on this wheel, we already replaced the wheel studs on this wheel. Got the new ones in, got it threaded on, it fits perfect. So we're doing the same thing to the other side. We might do the backs. We're going to test fit the backs and see how it looks, because I was debating on whether just to do all four, that way it's all flush all the way around. But we'll see how the backs look with just the stock wheel studs on there, and then go from there. But right now we're doing the driver's side. Passenger side is already done. So you want to grab the rest of those?
Yeah.
So, for those of you at home who have never done this, like myself, I thought it was going to be a pain in the ass, but it's actually pretty easy. All you're going to do, and I might get hate for this, I don't really care.
We're not mechanics.
Hey,
We're car
what do you
enthusiasts.
do with that hammer, dude?
Which one? There's a hammer.
So, all you're going to do, spin the hub around, and just knock these bad boys out. Should come out nice and easy like that. If it gets stuck like that, so I had to kind of bust down this brake shield right here and kind of bend it back a little bit. It's no big deal, but you should be able to just tap them all out. Like so. I don't care that I'm tearing up the threads. Those are all garbage now. I'm never going to have to use them again. You just do that one by one. What are you doing? Alright.
Camera face is on. I promise he wasn't doing drugs.
Don't mind me. No, don't mind me. I got rust in my eye several hours ago. And it's resurfacing and bugging the shit out of me. Make sure you wear your eye protection. But if you look in here, you can see all these are flush in there. All the way around. You don't want it sticking out too much. But you want to get it. It's going to take a minute. But you want it all the way snug down in there. So, now
You put everything back
put
together.
everything back together. Caliper, rotor, same thing. Brake shit. If you have a Malibu, most cars have a set screw, which is right here.
Yeah. You don't have to put the set screws
You
back
don't have
in.
to. But whatever. It's in there. So
I never do because I have a habit of stripping them.
I like it because it just makes everything nice and fresh.
Nice and stock.
Nice and stock. They'll never know.
OEM is better.
How will they know? They'll never know.
They'll never know. I don't put mine back in because I tend to strip them and then have to drill them out.
Well,
But I also more or less work on
you
old
also
rusty cars.
sometimes forget that most of these are T30s and not freaking Phillips heads.
I never forgot that.
Whatever,
I've never messed
I
that
don't
up.
believe
The one on the Hyundai is a Phillips.
Freaking Korea, dude.
Yeah, dumb. I almost stripped it trying to do brakes the first time. I was like, wow, the first brake job ever in this car is going to have a stripped bolt.
Nice. Nice and flush in there, dude.
Perfect. That's just to hold your rotor on so you can do your brakes easier. And you thought we were going to need a compressor.
Shut up. Why would I need a compressor for this?
I was about to put the brakes back on.
dummy, shut your mouth.
Because I was right.
And now when you're at.
I hate it when you're right.
Always watching when that's.
Always watching.
You like the view back there?
Yeah, it looks like some high school girl who runs track.
See, from this angle, I look like a...
You look like a track.
What the fuck am I doing, dude?
What?
I'm about to show you what I just did.
What you do? That's a stud. Studs don't go in those. Wrong hole.
It was threaded, though. That's the fucked up part.
Wrong hole. Stop it. I promise he didn't fart. It's the tape.
No, it's the building.
Whoever did the drywalling in here sucks.
Yeah. Likes to talk to you and make moans.
Yeah, the building farted.
That's one.
Okay.
So, now I'm taking the new studs. We're just gonna kind of guide them in. Why is this one being so fucking wonky, bro? Like the other side was like nice and cooperative. Didn't have to fight it that much. This one can never be too easy, can it, dude?
No, it's car stuff, bro.
It's car stuff.
Car stuff was easy. Everybody would do it.
Just gonna go around, put it in there by hand.
And be very careful not to try to mess up the threads.
It's okay.
Pay no attention to the plastic. I painted my car. But you'll see that in a different video.
See? Should just go in nice and easy like that. Could not be R-worded.
Proud of you.
Proud of me?
Yeah.
For what?
Not saying the R word.
I know, right?
We're getting good at this YouTube
Good
stuff.
PC, dude.
We're getting good at this YouTube
It's all
stuff.
for you guys.
We're keeping it PG'd
My knees, dude.
so I can turn on ad revenue and actually make 10 cents.
I know, right? I haven't cussed once. You proud of me?
I am. Okay, you want to tell them what you're doing now?
Okay.
What are we doing?
So, for those of you at home that don't have a fancy dancy fucking wheel stud thingy, take a couple washers, take a lug nut you don't care about. Put it on there. Grab an impact, or I guess you could really do it with a socket wrench. This is just easier. Take an impact, and then you're gonna spin this thing on here.
And you want to hold the back of it so it doesn't spin.
Spin this thing on here. Right. Reset. And all you're gonna do, you're gonna tighten this down until the back end is flush. Put it on there. I'm gonna keep on doing that.
I don't know.
Sorry for not showing you guys the final fitment. It's 2 days later? 2 days later.
Yeah.
We got a little excited after putting on to say that on. But yeah, final fitment of the car. Clean as fuck.
We didn't actually have to put the rear spacers on because it's flush. So it actually worked out pretty well.
Yeah, it actually rides pretty smooth. Like I honestly, yeah, I like them a lot. These are good wheels. So if you're in the market for buying not super expensive wheels but good wheels, I got these from Vors, and then I got the Vercelli Strata 2s.
Fancy.
Fitment industry special.
Fancy.
Yeah, no, the fit's clean though. Car's dirty right now.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's a daily, it's dirty. Yeah. I don't know what else to do with this thing.
Yeah, leave it ideas. I think we need a lip kit. So drop an idea. This will probably go up as the first. If you're seeing this, it's probably the first vlog on the channel or install video. But we do have another one that's for the coilovers that's being edited. You dropped your key, sir. You dropped your key, sir.
Oh shit! Well, damn. That would have been very.
That'd have been kind of funny.
Really upset.
That'd have been kind of funny.
Yeah, no, but yeah, now you guys know the paints. If you own an 18 Malibu and you want to modify it, you got giant fucking calipers. So good fucking luck. Make sure you do your research on backspacing and stuff. Because I did not.
And if you don't, then this video, this video will show you what you need to do.
I mean, it's not that hard to do. I mean, after I got the first side done, it wasn't really that much because you have a lot of area to work with as far as knocking out the studs behind the hub, so you don't have to worry about pulling hubs and stuff on the fronts. But I mean, we didn't touch the backs as you said earlier, so I can't speak for the back. But the fronts are pretty easy to do. It took us like an hour and a half.
Yeah, something like that.
To do both sides.
Yeah, about an hour and a half. We cut out all the boring stuff. But if you're watching this, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what we should do to this.
Yeah, like banners. We need to get banners. We need to make banners.
We do need to make banners.
banners.
Yeah.
Slap that shit right on the front.
Never settle garage on the front. I'm trying to get Steven to do a black and like silver because he wants to keep it dark.
So do I. I want to keep this dark.
We can do that with both the areas. I want to do. I don't know if I want to try to do a color matched banner with the white lettering or something like that. We'll see.
We'll see. Time will tell.
The times will turn.
Alright, peace out. Let's go.